Okay guys, today I want to make a video on how you can modify your quiver so that your arrows don't fall out of the quiver. Stay tuned. Okay folks, this is my self-made quiver. Now I personally like the back quiver the most, but some people say, hey, with the back quiver your arrows can fall out if you jump and if you bend over, which is true. I personally never really jump, I have to say, when I'm out on the archery range. But I can imagine that there are some situations, like for example, if you have to run like to get your prey. And yeah, today I want to make a modification to my back quiver to stop the arrows falling out of the quiver. Now the cool thing about my quiver is that I have built it so that I can screw off the caps here. And recently I have acquired these magnets. They are really strong. And actually the tip of the arrow is magnetic, so it sticks to the magnet. And now I want to take all of the 3 magnets here. Oh my god, they're so strong, it's unbelievable. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, now I want to insert the magnet into the cap. This is just an ordinary screw cap, by the way. And as luck would have it, it fits right into this cap. And I have a little bit of cloth in here, but I cannot use this now because the arrow really needs to touch the magnet. So now I'm screwing this back on. And now when I insert this arrow, it will click to the magnet. Yeah, I guess the one thing that most people dislike about back quivers is now history. It's so funny how the arrows turn. It's so amazing. They even make less sound now. Aha. Somehow the magnet is stopping the tip of the arrow to go left and right and making noise. So now the arrow is making less noise, actually. The only thing that I can improve is to glue some fur at the inside of the rim to make it even more silent. But then this quiver is really perfect. I don't have more modifications anymore. Unbelievable. Okay, now let's try the same jump again and let's see if the arrows fall out. Alright guys, so this is my modification on my quiver. I think it turned out really good. Okay, so it's really awesome. I love it. And I'm a fan of back quivers and some people are not, which is okay. So, alright guys, so this is it for today. I really want to thank you for watching. Make sure that you're subscribing to my channel and stay tuned till next time. Okay, okay, okay. Was tust du? Okay. 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 Du, was ist los? Ha? Bist du jetzt fertig? Ja, gell? Jetzt tust du noch ein bisschen graben. Reißen alles.